U.S. judge blocks deportation of Haitian migrants. Judge Brian Cogan's order prevented the Trump administration from ending special immigration protections for hundreds of thousands of Haitian migrants. A federal judge on Tuesday blocked the Trump administration's move to terminate long-running deportation protections for hundreds of thousands of Haitians in the United States, preventing their removal to the Caribbean nation. In a 23-page order, Judge Brian Cogan of the Eastern District of New York wrote that Secretary Kristi Noem, who leads the Department of Homeland Security, does not have statutory or inherent authority to end the immigration protections known as temporary protected status. The administration moved to end the protection last week. The Biden administration had extended those protections for Haitians through February 3, 2026. Judge Cogan wrote that Ms. Noem would have to wait until then to decide not to renew the protections for Haitians according to what he called the statutorily prescribed procedures Congress has enacted. Judge Cogan's ruling was a setback for the administration's effort to revoke protections for migrants fleeing from some of the most unstable and dangerous places to fulfill a campaign pledge by President Trump, who vilified Haitians in a debate with President Joseph R. Biden Jr. and singled them out as deportation targets several times. Hundreds of thousands of other immigrants who had been authorized to remain in the country, including Afghans, Cubans, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans, also faced deportation. The Obama administration first granted temporary protected status to Haitians in the United States in 2010 after a catastrophic earthquake. The program had been repeatedly extended until the Trump administration moved to cancel the designation in 2017. Civil liberties groups sued to block the measure. A federal appeals court ultimately allowed the administration's move to go forward, but the Biden administration withdrew the order before the designation for Haiti expired on March 5, 2021. Haiti, the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, plunged into government collapse and criminal anarchy after the assassination of the country's president in 2021. The country is now overrun by gangs who control much of the capital and countryside. The State Department places Haiti at the highest threat level in its travel advisory database, citing widespread violent crime and advising Americans not to visit. But even before the current crisis, Haiti and migrants from the country who are overwhelmingly Black have been the focus of Mr. Trump's vitriol. In 2021, Mr. Trump said that Haitian migrants were spreading AIDS to the United States, saying it's like a death wish for our country. He also referred to Haiti as a shithole country in remarks denigrating Haitian immigrants. Judge Cogan's decision ensures that Haitian migrants can remain in the U.S. under TPS until February 2026. The video reflects the gravity of Haiti's current crisis and the legal limits on executive power. It also temporarily halts a major Trump-era immigration push, keeping thousands protected from deportation. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
U.S. judge blocks deportation of Haitian migrants. A federal judge has blocked the Trump administration attempt to end temporary protected status for over 5 lakh Haitian migrants in the U.S. Judge Brian Cogan ruled that DHS Secretary Kristi Noem lacked the legal authority to terminate TPS before its current expiration date of February 3, 2026. Is extended by the Biden administration. The ruling delays Trump's effort to fulfill a campaign promise targeting Haitian migrants, who he has repeatedly vilified. TPS or Haitians was originally granted after the 2010 earthquake and extended multiple times. Amid Haiti's political collapse and gang violence, civil rights groups argued deportation would undergo lives.